hard to really close. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
Hello family, what's up? It's your girl Get Money. It's your girl Shamika. I am doing another video on another ICO that I am involved in as well. I always want to take you on my journey. This is the white paper for BitAI. Okay, BitAI. And the ICO is still going on. They're in the last round, so you still have time to get into this. I did a review on this already a couple of videos back. If you want to go over that, I just want to highlight some benefits of this particular ICO and why I like it. It is a lot of things I like about this one, but these are mainly the benefits. So what can I get out of this? Like, why choose this particular one? That's why I look at when I'm trying to decide on which one I want to spend my money on. All right, so we go down here to page right here, the vision. I like that. The benefits. All right, AI built on reinforcement learning, generative models, and network memory. Those it itself alone is, I'm such a geek, so I'm so into that all the way. Liquidity pool, daily distributions, that creating passive income, the token itself, anonymous utility token used on exchange to participate in these pools, and staking and voting rights. Yes, you have voting rights. They said that correctly. Voting rights, just like you was in a company, Microsoft or any other company that you had stock in, you have rights to vote. They send you those little paperwork in the mail, say, hey, do you know these are the board members? Do you want to kick them out? You want to keep them? You want to give them a raise? Yes, we have voting rights. Built on the X11 technology, a decentralized team. They participate, come all from walks of life, so everyone's around the world that's on this team. Aggregated lending, those are the things that I like about this platform, the benefits. So yeah, I just want to follow up with that, let you know this is still going on. There's some technical information here if you want to follow. Read the white papers. When you go to any site, you can read the white papers and follow up. What is it about? You're gonna take days and days once you start getting into this stuff and reading the information and understanding what is it going to do, how is it going to benefit you, how are they going to accomplish it. Are they in the planning phase? Are they in the idea phase? Do they already got a semi-product in already, like in a development phase? Like, you need to know and ask questions and email them, because they all have a contact information about what you want to get into. Don't just listen to me. Don't listen to other YouTubers. Don't listen to your best friend. Do your research. Go online. Look it up. And it's going to open a whole different mind frame of where you want to put your money at. This is the roadmap, and they look like they're on track. This January 15th, today's the 8th. If they sell out sooner, then hey, everything will be moving along a little bit quicker. And then you got January the 22nd. They're going to distribute the tokens. February, these are the exchanges they want to launch. They're expecting $10 for one token. March to launch with the wallet. Apple, yeah, $15. May, $50. August, $100. December, $150 potentially. You never know. I mean, these numbers could be fluff. We don't know. But what if you didn't? What if you didn't get out there and try? What if you didn't even invest? So $100. If you had $100 and you bought a token for $1, you got your 100 tokens, and that $100, that 100 tokens, you hold it to May, and come to find out it's $250 for that for per token. That's $25,000 you would have missed out on because you was like, oh, it's a scam. Oh, I don't want to do that. Oh, I can't wait. I can't hold it that long. That's $25,000 from a $100 investment only in crypto. You can't do that at buying a house. What house you gonna buy for $100 and make $25,000? Yeah, after you put $15,000 into it, yeah, fixer upper, yeah, then you might can make $25,000 out of it. But who can literally take $100 and turn it to 25 potentially or more? But a lot of newbies are so anxious, they don't want to hold it. They just want to spend. As soon as they get it, they made a profit. Oh, I'm happy. Oh, I made some money. Let me go ahead and cash out. You can cash out some of it, that's fine, but you want to hold on to it, because once it's gone, it's gone. You don't have any more. So that's what I want to tell you guys about. I'm so excited about this particular one as well. I am diverse in a lot of different ICOs, and you know, it's an 80-20 chance. 80% might take off, 20 might fail. But if I didn't try, I wouldn't know. So that's my philosophy. That's just what I'm doing. I'm not telling you to do that. You know, that's up to you what you want to do with your own money. So yeah, this is this ICO, BitAI. This is, if you look online and go to Google, everyone's talking about artificial intelligence. It's the biggest crave and biggest thing. I mean, Wall Street does it. It's out already. Some in some parts, even some of the AI supercomputers. It was I went online to this trade show thing and watching some videos, and it was saying like some of these computers they got now, and the big companies like the government and like IBM and all these other big hospitals, these supercomputers they have are 65,000 for one. For one, 65 grand for one. I was like, damn. I couldn't do it. I ain't got the money, but these people can do it if they raise all this capital. What is all the ICOs make all this money? They can invest in that kind of technology, so we can benefit from it on the long term and earn passive income. So do your research, invest if you want. This is my back office on my screen. I got 3,800 tokens that I invested in my own money from other ventures and other things related to Bitcoin. I didn't take it out my pocket. This is some Bitcoin I use in Bitcoin Cash. You can do different payment methods, but right now it's backed up on this blockchain like they said right here. They recommend you to use it from your blockchain.info wallet. Do not use Coinbase or GDAX. They are so backed up and so congested, and it's so expensive. To send $100, it was like $15. I saw someone did a video. $100, $15. That's ridiculous. That's like Western Union rates. Like that's crazy. So blockchain.info is another avenue you can use to try to go ahead. And all you do is just click buy now. It's so simple. They send you email confirmation. They send you a receipt in your email. It's so fluid. Like when I'm talking about fluid, it's like it's so easy. Just bam, bam, boom. And it's a pleasure. It was a pleasure to do this. They got their stuff together. Let me just tell you, they got their stuff together on this particular company with this ICO. Okay, when can you withdraw your commissions? At the end of the ICO. Actually, can you get a refund? You should never send two payments on one order. Just wait till it clears out before you try to if you make a mistake or something like that. But just follow the instructions. And they got some simple instructions right here. It's a tutorial right here, step by step with pictures on how to follow it. Look at this. Log into your account. When it reaches 0, go ahead. Sorry about that. Let me turn this off. My Telegram is going off. All right, got the countdown. Buy now when it's open, which is open now because they're still selling. All right, then you select which one you want. $100. Now it's a $150. I think they changed this to like $150 to get into the round. It's not $100. You got to at least have $150, I believe. And then round 2, you click which package you want. You select it. You go there. Scroll down right here. If you want to remove it, you just hit the X, cancel it, and go do another one. If you want to select another option, then it gives you a total. You hit place order right here. It's so, I haven't seen no other ICO give you pictures and step-by-step on how to go through this. Don't refresh the page. Wait for the confirmation gateway. The default is Bitcoin, but you can change it to either one of these. I did both and didn't have any issues with Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. Nothing. So then you scroll down and you copy and paste this information right here. It's gonna say copy address. Copy that. Put it into your blockchain.info wallet, and then copy this exact amount. It says do not include transaction fees. If you don't send the exact amount of money, it messes up the blockchain. Like you gotta send the exactly amount what they say send. But when you go to Coinbase, they got the transaction fees. They taking out $12. They mess it up. They just do too much. People's stuff is getting jacked up when you're going through Coinbase. So that's why they put that big alert at the top. When you get this, bam, successfully received your payment, and then you can go check your wallet and you'll see your payment in your wallet. And that's pretty much it. They got the tutorial right here on the page. Like, it's so easy. It was so fluid to do it. I couldn't believe how easy it was. I was like, wow, I like this. Like, they should take some notes from some people. So I'll leave my referral link below if you want to join me on this journey as well. You still got some time to get in this round. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video so you guys can see it. And if you have time, go in there, you know, get you some coins. And this might be a big thing coming out come January 15th. So have fun. Let's get this money. Let's live passively so you can live passionately for things that you want to do in life. All right, have a good one, and let's get this money. Peace.